Being in the industry since 2004, I've seen some common mistakes that a lot of first-time homebuyers make when planning to purchase. Many think they need 20% as a down payment. This is not necessarily true. You may be eligible for a down payment as low as 5% based on your credit score and your income. Many have never checked their credit score. The most trusted source is Equifax.ca. Order a one-time report that includes your score. Many have no idea that you can use your RRSP as a down payment. The Homebuyers Plan is a program that allows you to withdraw funds from your registered retirement savings plan to buy a home as a first-time buyer. Unfortunately, many don't involve a real estate agent soon enough, resulting in missed opportunities, disappointments, and loss of time. If you're planning to make a move in the next 3 to 6 months, give us a call. We're here to help.